Hey, good morning. Wise man asked me a question. He said, even though a woman is talking to you, is she always thinking about other men? Whoa. Even though she's talking to you, is she thinking about other men? You want to go inside her mind, right? Which I think even women will admit is a dangerous place to be. He said, for example, if I brought her a rose, if I bring her a rose that I either hand-picked from a garden or I bought in the store, I'll pop the rose out from behind my back, hand it to her, thinking that I did something amazing, and she will respond, "Oh, I love it when men bring me roses." It'll be nice if I usually can answer a lot of questions, but this is a tough one. I need some woman support. Can somebody please comment as a woman? Is that what y'all doing? If the guy was having sex with you and he thinking he doing something, "Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, oh yeah." And he said, "Yeah, do you like it? Do you like it?" She said, "Yeah, I like it when men do it to me like this." Is that woman? Now, men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Are the wires, the antennas and stuff crossed? Or is she really taking a shot at the dude? Is she? Maybe somebody can answer, but this is a hiccup. And this is a hiccup in a conversation. So maybe y'all can help me. Love y'all.